So the best way to beat traffic here in Cebu is to ride a bike. And I'm currently here at Data Center Cebu. My hair is still not good because, you know, helmet is the best hairstylist ever. Everything is like a bit of a rush for me today because, you know, it's Friday and it's June 30 and it's payday, so everyone is, you know, outside. Today we are attending the Globe Streamfest at Ayala Center Cebu, and I'll be looking for my friends. They're there. They're there. They're there. So yeah, we're currently here now at the Streamfest, and there are a lot of things to do. Like this one, there's a booth here for the Globe at Home, so I'm joining the raffles. I don't know yet what I'm going to be doing. YouTube, and it's basically the stage right there. There's a top one.
Natay games sir, and natay free disco kung maka-answer ka po sa mga sige. Muna sir.
Good luck. Guys, this Filipino YouTube creator calls her fans the Vela Fam. Okay, Malo, sorry.
Next.
Okay, Malo, what's your favorite reaction video? Sige, favorite reaction video is from Josh. Pangalan sa Pilipino Josh?
So, pili ka dito sir, may hope na po tayo, saka horseback.
Yes, nakakag-joke search guys. Thank you kuya. I'm gonna be cleaning my popcorn and my free drink here. Afterwards, I'll be returning to that booth to drop my entry for the raffle. I love this. Yun! So guys, I'm going back to the booth and I will be dropping this entry. Wish me luck to win the raffle, guys.
This is my raffle na sir. Mamaya, ano natin, tawagin ko yung sino mananalo. Thank you sir.
Yo, wish me luck guys. Sama ko dali guys. Pakulor, Margo. Sana! Kasama na mo kuya. So, ila i-save ang video. Press send. Okay. Thank you. Guys, we are here at our favorite booth. Para tayo YouTube. Forget to hit like and subscribe. And tayo natin sa booth sa YouTube guys. Kasi natin
Yo, what's up guys? What's up? What's up vlog?
Yeah, what's up vlog?
The bottle flip challenge. All you need is to flip the bottle. Oh.
The flip. Easy. I've never tried this guy, so wish me luck. Yung kay Balo. Wala na tayong bound. Nalingi ang tao. Yes.
So, nakay price sir. Pili lang ka sa tulo. Notebook, mousepad, or ID maze.
Notebook lang ko kay. Wala pa kayo.
Right.
Yay!
Guys, don't forget na ang Globe Girl na natin 100 gig nga free sa YouTube. So, if na mo'y plan sa broadband, okay na kayo na 100 gig free. So, yes. Thank you.
Salamat.
Play button, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That is my teleporting here at Harold's Hotel, and we're gonna be doing some live stream. So if you watched our live stream on Facebook, thank you very much. And with me is an Asus Zenfone AR phone. So
Hindi ka sanay na maraming bisita.
Ito na, Converse game. Yes. You have to walk down.
hindi.
No. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I just experienced the AR game. I had so much fun of it. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next vlog. Bye!